Hello everyone, today I'm going to review a radio cassette recorder. These are the controls. This is the volume dial. This is the bass dial. These are the control buttons for the tape. These are the modes. You could change the modes to radio, tape, and Bluetooth. These are the channels. There are 4 channels. In the radio section, you can listen to all the live radios. When you're in the radio section, you could change the volume of it and change the channel.
Today FM, listening to Ed in sunny Sligo. Hey Ed, can I get a shout out on my Darkness into Light campaign?
Mode. This is in tape mode now. If you need to put a tape, you just need to press this button, the stop or eject button. Now it's ejected. I've already inserted a cassette, but this is how you put it. There are 2 slots here. You just slide it into there, and then you close it. And to listen, you just press. And then if you want to stop it, you just have to press the same button. Or if you want to pause it, just press the pause button. This is the speakers, and this is where you could see the radio. I'm now in Bluetooth mode. When you're in Bluetooth mode, there will be a blue light. And then you just need to connect it to your phone. I've already connected it. Now I'm going to play a song.
Bum bum bum, ba-dum ba-dum. A duck walked up to a lemonade stand and he said to the man, run in the stand. Hey, bum bum bum, got any grapes? The man said,
these are the USB port and SD card. This is where you could change the song, and this is the pause and play button when you're in Bluetooth mode. So that's it for now. Bye. Thank you.